Okay, this is my John Deere zero-turn lawnmower. I'm going to try to replace this deck adjustment bolt that broke. Can you see it? We're going to start and try to get this done. Okay, this piece right here. I've got to get this out. I'm going to try to tap it out from the back. You got to turn it sideways. This is the way it was. Okay, I'm going to try to grab it with this. Okay, it just broke off. So there you go. This piece here. This right here is the replacement part I got on Amazon. So we'll go in this and then turn it up like this and try to put it back together. Slides right on in there. Look at that. But I gotta get this bolt off first so I can put it up here. Now push this up and fit it down in there. I had to turn it sideways and work this cable through there, then the rest slid in place. Now I'm going to put the bolt back on and lift it up. Okay, mistake. I put this on backwards. I'm going to turn it around this way. So, be with you in a second. Okay, that was pretty easy to do. It's going to lift it up. I wasn't getting it high enough. It's working. Okay, the deck looks pretty even. I've got it here. You don't even have to take anything off. You just do it from here. This here's the part you're going to need. This is a John Deere Z2350 turn lawnmower. This is the other side. It's not broken yet. I got one for it when it is. Job done.